Hi friends, this is a review of Victorinox sharpening stone. Basically, if you look at the review of this particular product in Amazon, you'll get to see there are lots of negative remarks is available with the product quality or the length of the product. But let me tell you one thing very frankly. This is really worth buying this product. Usually you can get it at 1200 rupees, but I bought it with 1,008 rupees. There was an offer going on for 15th August, so I bought it during that time. So you can see the kind of quality this stone has. I have already used it for 5-6 nights, and this works pretty nicely. And once you are done with the sharpening wala part, you have this particular option to ensure the edges are not bad that can cut you, right? So this is really a nice product from Switzerland, and I would recommend please go for this product. Thank you.
To the cremation. That is good. We should get pure funeral plans.
We should. Let's do it today. Now, how's that suit? Can't believe Sheila wanted everyone in red.
Protect your family from big funeral bills with Britain's most trusted. More affordable for you, breathing for your family. For your free quote, search Pure Cremation online or call now.
You beauty. Hold it there. Looks like Steve has just had a jam donut cashback flashback. Steve can't believe the amazing cashback he gets using the free Jam Donut app to shop big brand names in store and online. And it instantly adds your cashback to your wallet. Cashback flashback.